Onews 10 moving forward together with strength first. Heartfelt thank you to everyone who joined us for our live Global Update 1. Your participation made it a powerful moment of unity, and we're thrilled by the energy it generated. Now it's time to look ahead. We are excited to announce the live Global Update 2, when this Thursday, August 21st at 1:51 p.m. Eastern, U.S., find your local time. Live on YouTube, link will be shared with you in OES back office before the event. SEC case resolved. We are pleased to share that the SEC matter has been fully settled. Our attorneys defended us vigorously, and we came to an amiable resolution with no further litigation pending. We are deeply grateful for your patience and support throughout this process. Your encouragement has helped us stay strong and focused, even during challenging times. This brings an important chapter to a close. More importantly, it clears the way for us to focus fully on the future. We are very grateful for the outcome, and even more grateful for the ability to move forward without distraction. Answering your questions, doing live Global Update 2, Ash Mufare will also be addressing questions submitted by the field. This will be a chance to provide clarity, set the record straight, and ensure that no malicious distortions or misinformation are allowed to cloud our shared vision. Our road ahead with the SEC matter resolved, our momentum is stronger than ever. The mission remains bold, the future is open. And together, we're moving forward with clarity, unity, and unstoppable determination. Stay tuned to Onews. The best is not behind us. It's about to be revealed. Expected. The door was shut in their faces. Ouch. Bill Musk and John White's commentary. First of all, we would like to thank Mr. Pat Ash Mufare for the inner strength that made him relentlessly continue his mission, undeterred by insane accusations that, in our opinion, produce half the negative content on the internet. That gravy train will come to its end when the global corporate webinar is completed on August 21st, 2025. No more will Mr. Mufare have to answer about things that will be completely made up by people who didn't like him or his company. The haters thought that they had an open and shut case. The case did open and shut, but not the way they sewed. They tried to interpret legalese, and they got it wrong. Mr. Mufare told his founders that if you wanted the truth, he would tell you what the truth is. The saying goes like this: the blind leading the blind, and both will fall into a ditch. That is a classic example of what has happened with the SEC case against Mr. Mufare. The SEC case has been resolved, fully settled. Resolved definition. Resolved means that the grievance has reached a final conclusion with respect to the enrollee submitted grievance, and there are no pending enrollee appeals. Case closed. Mr. Ash Mufare and his family and technology teams and his new company are moving on to their destination, and they have cleared paths that tried to derail them. The tracks are clear and the destination is closer than we think. The engineer and his staff never stopped the train from moving, but now it's full throttle. Very soon, this train will start to accept new riders. Get excited, founders and affiliates. This train will soon get us to our shared vision and destination. The Oasis, Khaled, love, and happiness.